Visitation in nursing homes and long-term care facilities across Texas is expanding.
As of today, residents who are fully vaccinated against COVID-19 can have close contact with visitors for as long as they want. Up to 2 essential caregivers can visit a resident at a time, no matter their COVID-19 status. Outdoor visitations are allowed even if a facility has an outbreak. Face masks are still required.
Texas lawmakers are trying to protect those who have taken care of us during the pandemic. New legislation would significantly narrow the legal liability of healthcare providers and nursing homes during a declared disaster.
But KXAN Politics reporter John Engel shows us why legal experts have major concerns and families worry about the loss of accountability.
My mom's nursing home was an outbreak facility.
Sissy Sanders' mother lives here at the Riverside Nursing and Rehabilitation Center in South Austin, where, according to Austin Public Health, 14 residents have died from COVID-19.
I hear a lot of time lawmakers talking about we want to ensure our seniors' health and safety, and we want to make sure they're protected. But then this piece of legislation does the exact opposite.
Under Senate Bill 6, a healthcare provider wouldn't be liable for injuries or death connected to a declared disaster or pandemic unless it's proven that they committed reckless or intentional misconduct. That would protect activity like testing and diagnosing a disease or wearing personal protective equipment.
So it's a recognition that this is a very extreme situation in which healthcare providers are operating in, and a recognition that they're putting their lives and livelihoods at stake in responding to this COVID.
The bill would take effect September 1st of this year, but it would retroactively apply to lawsuits filed since March 13th, 2020 that aren't finalized by September 1st. Legal experts question the constitutionality.
If they really wanted to make this work, they should have called a special session back in March.
Sissy Sanders' mother is one of the lucky ones. She hasn't gotten sick, but her daughter still fears a loss of accountability.
So this is a real personal issue.
John Engel, KXAN News.
Senate Bill 6 would also limit a person's liability for exposing someone else to a pandemic disease. The person who exposed the individual would have to knowingly fail to warn the other person and knowingly fail to implement or comply with government guidelines.